Introducing the latest addition to our Mini Skid Steer attachment lineup, the V20 Mini Skid Steer Trencher. Today we're digging deep into the features which make this trencher a must-have attachment for boosting productivity on your job site. Let's start with the V20 Trencher's powerful drive system. It utilizes a high-torque, direct-drive Eaton motor and USA-made planetary. This design needs fewer parts and less maintenance than a chain-driven trencher. The V20 Trencher is compatible with mini skid steers with a hydraulic flow rate of 10 to 18 gallons per minute. What truly sets this trencher apart is intelligently designed features. Need to trench close to structures? With the manual side shift and removable auger, operators can trench near objects with ease. The 4-position depth adjustment system allows you to set 4 different trenching depths, ensuring consistency with each pass. For example, on a trencher with a digging depth of 3 feet, you can adjust depth in 6-inch increments, ranging from 18 inches to maximum depth. This system is particularly useful in areas with shallow bedrock that you want to avoid. When faced with tough digging conditions, the anti-backflex chain rises to the challenge, delivering high performance in demanding soil environments. Without this feature, the teeth may backflex or not stay at the optimal digging angle, which reduces trenching speed. Another key feature is the ability to spin the chain in reverse. Trencher chains can get jammed with rocks, roots, or other debris while digging. If this happens, you can simply reverse the chain to dislodge the obstructions without manually clearing the trench or the trencher by hand. The Greasable idler bearing at the trencher boom end ensures longevity and minimal downtime. With a stronger boom than many competitors, this trencher is built to last in the most challenging soil conditions. But we don't stop there. Our standard Crumber keeps the trench bottom clean, smooth, and ready for utility line installation. With 4 chain options to choose from, you can customize your trencher for any soil conditions. Whether you're in irrigation, plumbing, electrical work, landscaping, ag, construction, or municipal services, the V20 Mini Skid Steer Trencher is the perfect attachment for tackling small runs in areas where bigger equipment tears up grass or can't access the job site. If you have questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on new content. Thanks for watching.